Have you seen Bitcoin today?
Yeah, it's low.
Yeah,
it's tanking. Why do you
guess
think
what?
that? Why do you think that is?
Well, there's a very simple explanation
Not
for that.
investment advice.
Look. Everything I talk about investment-wise happens.
Yes,
but here's
it's not
the thing.
investment advice.
Yeah, I'm not
don't
giving
want the
any
SEC
investment
to come
advice.
out
No,
come after
yeah,
you.
You're absolutely correct. Brett's absolutely correct. I am not giving you investment advice at all. No investment advice. But what I can tell you is, if you did listen to me and you shorted the market and you bought the stocks that I told you to buy.
Did you say Bork?
Short.
Oh, I thought you said Bork.
No, I mean shorting the market or borking the market. I mean, I've never heard bork, but it sounds bad. You know what I'm saying?
have.
Bork.
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
Okay. Bomb knows. You know what I'm saying? They're having a bonding moment. You know what I'm saying? But I just can't imagine bork is a good thing. You know what I'm saying? Because it sounds like pork.
It's not.
Yeah. Okay. Anything that rhymes with bork except the fork can't be a good thing. You know what I'm saying?
What about cork?
Cork is positive.
I mean,
cork is positive.
I mean, you as one of the best lyricists.
A cork is very positive because it does a lot of good for us here on
Right.
Earth.
Yeah,
Cork is our friend.
And you're a good
But the
lyricist.
fork-
So there you go.
But the fork is our everything. You know, the cork is a good thing, but the fork is our everything. Unless you don't use the fork.
What
if
about?
you're Ethiopian or you're Asian American or Asian, period. Yeah,
I mean,
fork,
one could
fork
argue
sport.
that one could argue that chopsticks are far superior to forks.
Maybe, but the fork. I think the fork and chopsticks are both equally as positive. You know what I'm saying? So moving on. If you did listen to my advice, you probably made money. But if you listen to my advice, you're probably insane too. So let's just leave that. I don't give investment advice, but I'll tell you why Bitcoin is going down. It's very simple. The people that buy Bitcoin, the people that buy Dogecoin, the people that buy
Dogecoin is
Shiba Coin, the people that buy Ethereum, for the most part, are very young people, right? Mm-hmm. They don't really know what the crash is like because maybe they've only been investing for 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years.
They weren't around in 08?
They weren't around in 08. They weren't around in 2000. They weren't around in 88. They weren't around in 1921. So they don't fucking know. Like, they think that the shit's just going to keep going up. So they bought all these tech stocks, and they bought all this fucking crypto, and they were playing it like a lottery.
Well,
so
crypto wasn't around in 08.
My point exactly. So when you got all this tech shit going down, right? Robinhood, meme stocks, GameStop, fucking whatever the fuck you kids were memeing.
I wasn't memeing anything.
Bomb was. Whatever Bomb's generation was memeing, you know what I'm saying? And buying, they were also buying crypto, right? When they start losing, the Netflix is down 20%, Tesla's down.
Well, Netflix just upped their prices.
Well, Netflix is down 24% today. So when you see something like that in their minds they've never seen, which has happened before, it's happened in 2012.
You hear about Peloton?
Peloton is $29. And fucking 3 months ago, Peloton was $130. It's $30. So here's the thing: the crash still hasn't happened yet. It's like, this is just like a little appetizer crash. This is like what I'm going to have. I'm going to have the cheesesteak egg rolls before I have my entree. That's what this is. This is cheesesteak egg rolls, right? So the market still has...
Cheesesteak egg rolls.
This shit still has so far to go. But to my point, when the stocks go down, people have to cover their margin calls, like the babies, you know what I'm saying? The young guys, right? They got to cover their margin. They don't got the cash because they bought all of their money is in crypto. So now they got to sell the crypto assets to pay off the margin call. And that's basically what's happening. And it can fall to 3,000. It could fall to nothing. Then you got Russia that comes in and slaps sanctions on it. They want to ban cryptocurrencies.
They want to ban crypto
Putin
mining.
on your ass, huh?
They want to ban crypto mining.
Yeah, whatever. They want to ban crypto. They want to get it out of here.
I mean,
that ain't going to happen.
No.
That ain't going to happen. But, and all this shit is so far out, like the metaverse and, the money. Like, I looked at
Speaking of the metaverse, if you want to learn about the metaverse and Web3, our friend Jeff Pulver is having a conference next week
Where?
online.
Oh, okay. I'll be there. Shout out Jeff Pulver. Shout out the whole Vonage crew. Shout out the whole Pulver family. Lauren Pulver, that's his sister, right?
That's his
Lauren.
sister.
Lauren, shout out. Big hugs to the Pulver crew. We've had a rough year. But, you know, in 2022 and 2023 and 2024 will be better. If we're here. If we're not here, then we won't even give a shit.
Where are we going to be? Aliens?
Yeah, aliens. You goddamn right. Aliens. They're coming, Brett. You didn't know that?
Thanks for watching that, and if you dug that, leave a thumbs up and say what up in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to Stony Island Audio for more.